Hello everybody, today we're going to introduce you our new budget phone DOOGEE Y6. It's a cheap phone with a really good look and not bad characteristics. So take a first look at our settings and characteristics. So as you can see, 5.5-inch HD display, Octa core processor, 16 megapixel camera, fingerprint, 2 GB RAM, 16 GB ROM, battery about 3200 mAh, Android 6 and dual SIM. So let's check it. Let's do some unboxing and check it out. Okay, so just do some unboxing and look at our box inside. So we have a quick start guide on English and some other languages. Then cable, charge cable, charging, protect film. So just take a look at our phone. It will gonna be 4 different colors and 1 unique color: gold, silver, black, and sharp black. And also we have 1 unique color, is jet black. Unique is not only in color, but also it will have 4 GB RAM and 64 GB of ROM. So let's do some quick guide. So just to take a look on AnTuTu benchmark. So as you can see, AnTuTu benchmark has about 40,000 goals. Just take a look at info. As I said before, we have Android 6, 64-bit Octa processor, Octa core processor, MT6750, renderer Mali T860, resolution about HD resolution about 720 and 1280. Also, Y6 series supports 4G plus with LTE Cat6 supported. The download and upload speed will increase double times than regular 4G. So, as I said before, we have 4 different colors: matte black, glacier silver, shimmer gold, moonlight blue, and also jet black. Production of the also we have HD 5.5 inches display, sharp technology. Say a few words about cameras in this phone. Rear camera 8 megapixel, wide angle 88 degrees, so it will allow not only do selfie of yourself but also invite some friends and do common selfie. Also we have a flash on the front and a new function of beautification. It's beautification 2.0. It's an upgrade one of previous versions. So make your selfie much more beauty and much more colorful. For social media, it's very important. Okay, so what about back camera? Back camera is about 13 megapixels. Samsung sensor with PDAF and flash. And also we have camera really speedy, about 0.1 seconds after focus. Also we have a fingerprint over there. Also our phone supported one-hand mode that make your hands really free because of really big screen needs a comfortable and convenient operation with it. So we handled one hand mode, so you just swipe and minimize your screen, and you have a very convenient operation with your whole smartphone. Okay, so also about audio chip in this phone, we have a hi-fi chip that makes your sound really loud, really clean. So it's a really good news for those who want to buy a cheap phone with a good characteristic and settings. Also we have a 2.5D technology of our screen glass, so it makes your phone really comfortable to use and operate with it. Y6 series is really suitable for those who don't need an expensive phone but need some good characteristics with a good look. So we offer 4 colors for really a huge variety of people who likes change colors, who like action lifestyle and really appreciate good look in a phone. So thank you for watching. If you like this video, if you like our brand, just subscribe on our channel, put likes or dislikes under this video, write a few comments, and thanks for watching. Stay tuned.